Happy summer from Robbins Rest on Fire Island, New York. Here is a quick look of the very barefoot community, one of Fire Island's rather smallest communities with only about 40 homes, which is situated right next to the very popular beach town, and I love the name, Atlantique. And as you are departing from Atlantique, it says you will have about 1.5 miles of sand path. No boardwalks, no cement ways, and that really is the personality here of Robbins Rest. Now you can walk up here to the left. There is a walkway that will bring you to the Atlantic Ocean. But let's take a look of some of the homes in Robbins Rest, as it really is an adventure in itself just to get here. We're walking, and the sand, it just pulls your feet in, so it's not like it's flat sand. I do have the beach cruiser with me, but it's not something that I could ride my bike on. And I don't point that out to complain. I point that out to emphasize the personality of the community. If you were to bring anything here to Robbins Rest, you would have to really be rather strong-armed with your little red Fire Island wagon, as everything would need to be pulled to your home. There's no walkways here of Robbins Rest.